Всім привіт! Як я і обіцяв, ми сьогодні будемо дрілити і буде дуже мало моїх розмов. Ми просто включаємо музику, тренуємось, розігріваємось. І це такий класний вармап для подальшого тренування. Що? Давайте дрілити. Зараз що ми робимо? Bounce, dive, rocking, speed control, double time, звичайна швидкість, slow motion, jerk moves, емоції, тревели, і ще що. Думаю, все. 9 складових я перерахував. Ну що, let's get it в довільному порядку, максимально так, щоб ми змогли передати, як ми відчуваємо музику, настрій музики, як ми то бачимо. Ну і все таке. Всім have a nice warm-up, training, drilling, let's go!
Don't give me your heart, I'ma break it. Yeah, don't give me your money, I'ma take it. Don't give me your heart, I'ma break it. Yeah, don't give me your money, I'ma take it. Don't give me your heart, I'ma break it. Yeah, don't give me your money, I'ma take it. That's how it. Don't give me your heart, I'ma break it. Yeah, don't give me your money, I'ma take it. Don't give me your money, I'ma take it. Yeah, don't give me your money, I'ma take it. Don't give me your heart, I'ma break it. Yeah, don't give me your money, I'ma take it. That's how it. Don't give me your money, I'ma take it.
Hey, man can't chat about dubs. You got dubs, come on and let's do dubs. You can have 22 dubs and make it and spin like say you took 22 dubs. You're gonna murk who's dubs? What are you dumb? Can't have none of that stuff. You got a fresh 64 and it's full of gun bars, but I'm saying it now, you ain't dubs, and I'm saying it now, you ain't nang. He's not nang, new CD's not nang. Please don't chat about nang. Look around the room, not one of them thinks you're nang. Blood, let me show man about nang. Jam, that's nang. I am grime, that's nang. Your last a bit, that's trash. I don't wanna hear that. Throw that trash in the trash. Throw that trash in the bin. EP straight in the bin. Mixtape straight in the bin. Gave me a t-shirt with a few hats. That's them straight in the bin. No remorse when I started.
Don't give me your heart.
This, taking a bin. Now they're asking them, mate, where you been? Dead. Break 6 feet in the grave's ways bin. So let me show man that's stress. Fam, you're stressed. No reloads, that's stress. No fan base, that's stress. Look around the room, they can see in your face, that's stress. Blood, let me show man that's stress. Fam, you're stressed. No reloads, that's stress. No fan base, that's stress. Look around the room, they can see on your face, that's stress. It's a hit and run. I said hit and run. Look, this one's a hit and run. They wanna know how I spit one bar with a set quick. Look off the ting, then done. I ain't the type to try and jump in the wall. If you want spot with a kid, then come. I'll start treating MCs like a Beyblade so they can watch the whole week get spun. It's a hit and run. I said hit and run. Look, this one's a hit and run. They wanna know how I spit one bar with a set quick. Look off the ting, then done. I ain't the type to try and jump in the wall. If you want spot with a kid, then come. I'll start treating MCs like a Beyblade so they can watch the whole week get spun.
Yes! How you feel the music? Show me how you feel. Woo!
Catch them, rat them, slap them. Money gotta run my guy. Fresh out the pump and never stay or dry. Time when they see me jump out of the ride. Satin out of space when me send wide. Cause we love to see the girl them wine. When party keep my hustle and bring baby 9. Girl ever move them waistline. Green lights up, Henny gets bust. Shots off it one tequila can run my drive. But don't drink so you know walk on for the night. Press gas on the M-way, put up in the gate fast. Wines off it one same time from autumn, summer. Bouncy like rubber leaf, man, that's round me every clock night. Yeah, man, that's round me. only badders round me. Yeah, badders round me. Every blood clot night. Badders round me. Badders round me. Only badders round me. Yeah. 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 Brand new badders, on a whistle, snakes and ladders. Bad attitude, no manners, you know it never matters. When gotta fly like daggers, athletes, Batman and rappers, a couple gangbangers. Girl, I got money on the mind. My team's full with a target, he won the market. I saw we get the badders in line, I saw we get the badders in check. Eyes on the price, hands on deck, always picture perfect. Whenever we step, big 4-5 never break sweat. Yeah, I saw we get the badders in check. Eyes on the price, hands on deck, always picture perfect. Whenever we step, big 4-5.
Who got the keys to my blood clot bimmer? Big time thriller, monkey to gorilla. Who is this woman that I'm seeing in the mirror? Drink 42 and smoke cigar. Name one time where I didn't deliver. Silent figure, was just on the ends, dropping gems with my friends. I got a 3310 and a pack of lems. Then got to go full black, circle back again. Rapping when nothing progressive was happening. Ooh, pain tolerance couldn't break us. Pay homage if you respect how we came up. Cool. Trying to get to the paper, hit it from Jamaica, might do me a favor. Cool. Big simmer, dipping 10 toes in that ice cold river. Bank got bigger. Show you can't. Wait until I do. Show if you can't. Show if you Wait until I 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 coming through the jungle in an all black fitted hat low, incognito living introvert but she ain't timid. My art will be timeless, I don't do limits. Be very specific when you talk on who the best is. How can I address this? Basically the rest is almost like to me what a stain to a vest is. You ain't dropped nothing in my eyes I'm impressed with. Please don't be offended, but I'm not in the business of pretending. I've got lines if you wanna get renting, or find the agony on and get vented. Stop flooding my mentions with bullshit, talking on Sims like she's someone you went school with. Awkward. From Dave and the cool kid, rap starts hope and faith from restoring. Don't ask my opinion on shit, cause to make you feel good about yourself is exhausting. I got bangers out in the world touring, and I got bangers in the boat I've been hoarding. Yeah, true, I got tennis in the morning. Before I start swinging, that man's gonna need a warning. Red light whenever I'm recording, red light on the forehead of the informant. See, I'm the only one on Gorilla. Sims is back here, just got Rilla. Yeah, no choice now but to fill us. I know the streets will love it like I brought my skinner. So simmer down, little homie, simmer. All that talk get you rubbed out quicker. I cut with a different scissor. From the same cloth as my dear ancestors. That's why the shit gives you the shit of bars. I'm that. Wait until I wait until I
The last one.
Let's go. Simon says the why's important because the why's what people embrace. Simon says the why stands out when you make choices with your limbic brain. Simon says if you work with people who share beliefs, then you can make change. Because when you figure out why, you can be like Naval and play long-term games. I don't normally play Simon Says, but I'll listen to Simon when he explains. He told me he takes your what and your how and puts them both inside of a frame. You see, the why was born from pain. Without the why, then it's all in vain. If you don't know why you do what you do, then how can you even measure what's gained? Everything's worthless. Everything's worthless. But it's all dead when you scratch beneath the surface. You see, the why's not just about you. When you break it down, it's all about service. Go alone if you wanna go fast, but if you go together, then you'll go the furthest. Let me break it down some more so you get an idea of how this thing's working. Back when the pandemic just kicked in and everybody felt lost, Elijah went searching. Being a grime DJ was cool, but aside from that, it's like the fire stopped burning. Started to process things by writing and posting and realised people were yearning. Cause we're all connected by phones, but there's still a breakdown somewhere in the circuit. Individuals obtaining the keys, but collectively we're not sharing the surplus. Just one person asking the questions, enough for man to start sharing the learning. That's when he finally figured out why, then he started writing again in earnest. One post for the week's not enough, cause often curiosity feels urgent. Wanted to do more, so he jumped out of the frying pan straight into the furnace. Now he's moving, balls them are turning, drive feels stronger, there's no reversing. You don't need ways when you're led by a why, cause your destination just feels more certain. And now your sat nav feels obsolete, cause your why's like a North Star in the night shining. The how and the what will appear in the distance, think of those as street lighting. And if you have all three, nobody can take you off course, any weather or climate. And you can even lose the last two and still be alright if you carried on climbing. But if the why ceases to exist, then I ain't gonna lie, it might get a bit frightening. There's no point in anything existing if the thing ain't got a meaning behind it. And if you ain't found yours, don't stress, take a look within if you're still trying to find it. You see, the life that we live is not linear, so embrace it, take control and design it. Everything's worthless without a purpose. Everything's worthless without a purpose.
Thank you. Have a nice day. But we need to do one more, just one more. This is crazy music. Let's go.
Niggas wanna hate on us, niggas be envious. I know why they hate on us, cause y'all so fabulous. I'ma be real on us, nobody got nothing on us. Girls be all on us from London back down to the US. We rockin' it contagious. Monkey business outrageous. Just confess your girl admits that we the shit. F-R-E-S-H, we fresh. D-E-F, that's right, we definite. We definite. B-E-P, we reppin' it. So, turn me up. Turn me up. Turn me up. Come on, baby, just pump it. 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 Come on, baby, just yeah. Pump it. Yeah.
Turn it up.
Pump it. Yeah. Pump it. Yeah. Come on, baby, just pump it. Yeah. Pump it. Yeah.
Turn it up.
Pump it. Yeah. Pump it. Yeah. You check this out right here. Come on, baby, just pump it. And pump it. 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 Niggas wanna hate on us. Niggas be envious. I know why they hating on us. Niggas got so fabulous. I'ma be real on us. Nobody got nothing on us. Girls be all on us from London back down to the US. We rockin' it contagious. Monkey business outrageous. Just confess your girl admits that we the shit. F-R-E-S-H, we fresh. D-E-F, that's right, we definite. We definite. B-E-P, we pump it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.